Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Your microphone is connected and set as the default input. Once done, grant microphone permission to the app or browser so audio reaches the service. Next, choose the correct input device in system settings, then open the voice typing tool and speak a short test phrase. This first action confirms basic audio flow and it points you to the next fixes, because if you can't record clearly, nothing beyond this will work reliably. Once the basics pass, update your audio drivers and the operating system so compatibility issues are removed. Then make detailed adjustments. Set the microphone sample rate to 16,000 Hz for speech recognition or 44,100 Hz for higher fidelity, and tweak mic boost if levels are low. Also, reduce noise by closing noisy apps, moving the mic closer, or enabling noise suppression. These steps improve the signal-to-noise ratio, which is why recognition accuracy rises markedly after proper configuration. To finish, retrain or calibrate the voice model when available, and make sure the language and dialect match your speech pattern. This sharpens recognition. Try an alternate browser or an offline engine to determine if the problem is cloud-side, then save or export working settings and restart the app. If issues persist, check privacy and mic permissions, reinstall the voice typing tool, and test again. This reinstall often clears corrupted configs and resolves persistent failures when other steps don't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.